Hello and welcome to TradeWithoutEmotion.com. Today we're going to look at GGP trading on the New York Stock Exchange at the close of 11/11/2008, which is Veterans Day. So happy Veterans Day to all you veterans. So let's take a look. I had a request on this chart, so I thought I'd quickly put together a quick video chart on what I'm seeing and maybe give you my thoughts and some trading ideas on what to do with this. So the first thing that we notice is this thing dropped 64% today, which is massive. The thing's currently it's trading at the last trade was at 49 cents. Our drop was 88 cents. That's considerable for a New York Stock Exchange stock. I don't know what's going on with this thing. I don't really care. So let's just look at the technicals. One thing that comes to mind when I first see this is the PPO and the ADX line. We've got this convergence right here. And what this indicates is this is an unsustainable trend. So basically, as you see, we've dropped off completely right here. But what we're pointing out, and that what this chart is telling me, is that this white line right here is the ADX line, and it means that this condition is not sustainable. It's got to come down. Some type of reversal needs to happen. This is based on a mathematical formula, and it's extremely rare that it's ever false. The PPO is basically our MACD, which is just a percentage oscillator. So it's in terms of a percentage rather than an absolute term. Basically, so we've got this convergence, and what it tells me, as I said earlier, is that this trend cannot continue. It is definitely needs to, mathematically, it's going to turn around. Look at our volume. We're trading about 3 to 4 times normal volume. Some bad news must have really came out today and really shook this thing to the ground. It looks like we had some decent support here at $1.97, and it was making a nice channel play all the way up to 451. Today we hit a intraday low of 33 cents and actually pushed back up to 49 cents, which is pretty good actually after this considerable drop from about $1.50 all the way to looks like 90 cents. So let's take a look at some of the indicators and what I'm seeing. Definitely the rate of change line is bad. These indicators aren't going to look too good because of what's going on. This is more of a flush play. This is something that you're trying to catch a bounce on and profit off the panic sell. Basically what you get is a lot of people are coming home and they're seeing their stock, they had a stock 4 days ago that was worth $5 or $4.50. 3 days, 4 days later, it's cut in half. Basically everybody's telling their broker sell, sell, sell. So what you get is this complete sell-off. Comes all the way down here. People are selling at any cost. This is called a complete flush play or a panic sale. Basically, you can make a lot of profit on these because people are selling at any price thinking they're going to lose it all. There's got to be some valuation in this company, so expect a little pushback. Not guaranteeing anything. Like I said, the only good indicator that we have right here is the full stochastic, which is definitely at the bottom, and it's crossing the signal line and giving us a buy signal, a pseudo buy signal, I should say. And our orange line right here is the money flow index, which is extremely oversold. So expect this thing to start coming out, and of course it's going to show an oversold condition when you've had this type of a fall off. And of course our RSIs, which are just terrible. They're all in very oversold territory, and they can do nothing but turn up. But do remember that these stocks can stick in an oversold situation for some time. Hopefully we'll get what I would like to see in the next couple days is a couple of nice little dojis right here at 49. Little trading action going up and down, and this will develop a nice little bottom right here, and then you can guarantee that within a couple of days this thing's going to skyrocket back up. Don't know if it's going to go back up to 4.5, but I could definitely see $2 quite easily, if not at a minimum $1.50. So you're looking at a 3-bagger right here. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from it. Trade without emotion, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.